Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to disable or enable startup apps in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Method 1. From Windows Settings, press the Windows key plus I shortcut to open Settings. Select Apps from the left menu, and then click on Startup. Toggle off or on any apps or programs that you don't want to start automatically on Startup. Method 2. From Task Manager, open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, or by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Then click on the Startup Apps tab. Select any program in the list and click the Disable or Enable button. Alternatively, right-click the program and click on Disable or Enable if you don't want it to run on Startup. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.